too bad, but we're going to quiet it down a little.
All right, we're gonna fix the noise a little bit
I
better.
like to put my bike out.
Mike is going to use this Duraleft door hardware. Wait, Betty. Wait, wait. Okay. So these are the tools. What's that, hon? The roller?
Nylon rollers, so they're nice
Oh,
and
the
quiet.
rollers. Quiet?
And then I'll put these
You're gonna put that one.
sleeves on. So when I slide it in, put this on. That'll help make it more quiet.
What about the old one? Do they have like this?
No, not these.
Oh, so this is the new one.
I'll show you these are the old ones here.
See the old ones?
But we're going to take all those out.
Oh, how many rollers?
Then we're going to clean this track all the way down.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to lubricate these hinges.
Oh, nice, darling.
'Cause I got this
So it's gonna be a good
Then I got
garage,
this
like
to-
brand new. What's this for?
to lubricate the hinges and the spring.
Oh, yeah. Lubricate the hinges and the spring. All right. What is that? 3-in-1. See you in a
I said you
bit.
shouldn't mess with this bottom one, but
This
Come
is
up here.
one way
put
of
the hammer in there,
removing the.
pop it out like that. And it looks like I can just pop it right back in.
That's it. So we have to do it one by one.
Or I can take one hinge off at a time. It takes longer.
Okay.
I don't know which one I'll do. I might take them off because I want to clean them.
All right, darling. Do what you can and enjoy your project. He can do it. He loves doing things in the house and the garage. This is his happy place. This is just one of his little projects. He's cleaning the.
Get all that old grease out because I want it to be dry in there.
That's
See how
nice.
dark that grease is? I gotta scrub all that out.
Oh, yeah. What did you use? The greaser?
Just this degreaser.
Grease lightning.
Spray a little bit in there.
Yeah, what? You wiping it something?
Rub it. Yeah, I'll wipe it with that old rag.
Alright. Guys, that's how you maintain your garage like brand new. He always find things to do in his favorite place in the garage where his other woman is here. We can't ride today because it's raining. So he just do something in the house, fixing something. Mao na kabuutan akong banag, guys.
And this is the new piece.
Oh, that's the new piece.
The hinge is old, but I took them out, put these in, and I cleaned this whole inside out, and then I lubricated this hinge. So these are all new. Should be a lot quieter.
And then now you
Now
do
I'm
the
gonna
other
come over
side.
here. See that
Taking
wheel?
that block?
That one and this one, 3. I got 4 more to do. These 4. There's one. But I was trying these.
Removing the. This is he gonna use. These are the new one.
I went one screw. See, now it's easy to take that out.
Let me see. Where's that one?
Yes.
Let me see, Han.
It just slides out like
Ah,
that.
and then you replace the new one.
And then I'm going to stick kind of dark in here. Spray some cleaner in there. My gun brush.
Yeah. Cleaning the inside. Grease.
Get the dirt and stuff out of there. So it's cleaner.
Guys, wipe it off. It's really
Should be
dirty.
clean on the inside now. Now, take our new roller.
It is roller inside.
Looks like it goes this way. Holes. I dropped one of my screws. I got one again.
Put the screw back. And then it's It's inside, the new one already inside, and lock it up.
Get there with my other screw.
So we'll check it by hand to make it tight.
Make sure it's tight enough. Don't want to go too tight. Okay, that one's done.
Oh, there's the roller
That's it.
now. All brand new roller. Brand new roller. And this, he also clean it. He brush it and put some the grease. Oh, look at that.
Should last a long time.
Okay, open me, baby.
Still pops and cracks a little bit. That's because the panels are old. And
No, but that's still okay. See how smooth? There's a little still sound, but that's normal. It's just that the roll will look.
But at least I know it's sturdy.
Yes. So that's it for now, guys. At least it's already done and smooth and quieter and cleaner. It will last longer. So that's how you keep your garage maintained and do it yourself. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you on our next vlog. And don't forget to click the likes and subscribe. Easy. Oh yeah, it's better and quieter. That's good.